Durham Dental Implant Solutions, we have a fully equipped dental laboratory and a team of full-time dental technicians. Our passion for precision and quality led us to bringing the process fully on-site. This allows our dentists and technicians to work side by side, designing and planning to ensure a seamless process from surgery to final restoration. This also allows us to offer chairside design and color customization. Our technician will be with us chairside at try-ins and on your final appointment to make any adjustments until we have achieved the perfect match. With our wide array of technology and equipment, we fabricate every type of prosthesis all on site, including crowns, bridges, implant restorations, night guards, and much more. The process starts with our digital impressions. No goop or putty impressions of old. The precision of our optic laser-based scanner allows for the best fit and accuracy in our lab work. Our lab-grade milling machine is the heart of the operation, with the power and precision to fabricate prosthetics from all necessary materials, working with titanium and metals for our implant work, as well as aesthetic porcelain and ceramics for our crown and bridge work. Our glazing ovens take the restorations to the finished product with custom porcelain, staining, and glaze. We also have high-precision 3D printer for fabricating implant surgical guides, temporary crowns, bridges, and dentures. Our doctors and technicians have a true passion for digital dentistry. They not only practice the digital workflow, but also teach internationally on these topics. With technology ever evolving, we will always be at the forefront, incorporating tools and techniques that improve your patient experience and the quality of our work.